Welcome to Tokyo, a city that seamlessly blends tradition and modernity. Join me as we explore the neon-lit streets, historic temples, and vibrant culture of this fascinating city. Get ready for an unforgettable adventure. Shibuya Crossing, one of the most iconic and busiest intersections in the world, located in the heart of Tokyo, Japan. This famous scramble crossing is a must-visit destination for anyone traveling to Tokyo, and for good reason. As you step into the Shibuya area, you're immediately immersed in a sea of people, neon lights, and endless energy. The crossing itself is a marvel of urban planning, with thousands of pedestrians rushing to cross the street at the same time from all directions. Watch as the lights turn red and the crowd surges forward, creating a mesmerizing spectacle of humanity in motion. The sounds, the sights, the energy, it's all here, and it's an experience like no other. The Shibuya area is also a shopper's paradise, with popular districts like Shibuya, 109, and Senergai offering the latest fashion trends and unique shopping experiences. And when you need a break from the hustle and bustle, there are plenty of cafes and restaurants to grab a bite or relax. As the sun sets, Shibuya Crossing transforms into a vibrant and colorful spectacle, with neon lights and giant billboards lighting up the night. The area takes on a whole new personality, with street performers, live music, and a lively atmosphere that's infectious. Whether you're a foodie, a shopaholic, or just a curious traveler, Shibuya Crossing has something for everyone. It's a microcosm of Tokyo's energy, creativity, and passion, and it's an experience that will leave you wanting more. So take a walk around Shibuya, soak up the atmosphere, and experience the magic of this iconic crossing for yourself. Tokyo Skytree, one of the most iconic landmarks in Tokyo, Japan. At 634 meters tall, this broadcasting tower is the tallest tower in the world and offers breathtaking views of the city from its observation decks. As you approach the tower, you're struck by its sheer scale and modern design. The tower's unique structure is inspired by traditional Japanese pagodas, and its futuristic appearance makes it a standout feature of Tokyo's skyline. Once you arrive at the observation deck, you'll be treated to stunning views of the city in every direction. On a clear day, you can see for miles, taking in the sprawling metropolis and its many landmarks, including Tokyo Tower, the Imperial Palace, and Mount Fuji in the distance. The observation deck is equipped with interactive exhibits and informational displays that provide insight into the tower's construction, design, and the surrounding cityscape. You can also take a closer look at the tower's structure and learn about its engineering feats. One of the most unique features of Tokyo Skytree is its ability to withstand natural disasters, such as earthquakes and typhoons. The tower's advanced design and construction ensure that it remains stable and secure, even in extreme weather conditions. As you take in the views, you'll notice the contrast between the modern cityscape and the natural beauty of the surrounding landscape. The tower's height and location provide a unique perspective on the city, showcasing its blend of traditional and modern architecture. Tokyo Skytree is not just a popular tourist destination, it's also an important broadcasting tower, providing signals for television and radio stations across the city. The tower's height and location make it an ideal spot for broadcasting, allowing signals to reach a wide area. As the sun sets, the tower takes on a new personality with a stunning light show that illuminates the tower's structure. The light show is a popular attraction, and it's a great time to take photos and capture the tower's beauty. In the evening, the views from the observation deck are just as breathtaking, with the city lights twinkling like stars below. You can see the bustling streets of Tokyo, the neon lights of Shinjuku, and the towering skyscrapers of the city. Tokyo Skytree is a must-visit destination for anyone traveling to Tokyo. Its stunning views, unique design, and advanced engineering make it an unforgettable experience. Whether you're interested in architecture, engineering, or simply taking in the views, Tokyo Skytree has something for everyone. Sensoji Temple, one of the oldest and most iconic temples in Japan, located in the historic district of Asakusa, Tokyo. This ancient Buddhist temple is a must-visit destination for anyone traveling to Tokyo. and it's steeped in history and tradition. As you approach the temple, you're immediately struck by the vibrant colors and lively atmosphere of Nakamai's-dori, a pedestrian shopping street that leads to the temple. The street is lined with traditional snack stalls and souvenir shops selling all manner of Japanese goods. As you walk down Nakamai's-dori, you'll notice the iconic Kaminarimon Gate, a majestic entrance to the temple grounds that's adorned with a giant paper lantern and two fierce guardian statues. The gate is a popular spot for photos, and it's a great place to start your visit. Once you pass through the gate, you'll enter the temple grounds, which are home to a number of important buildings and landmarks, including the famous Sensoji Temple itself. The temple's architecture is a beautiful example of traditional Japanese design, with its bright colors, intricate carvings, and majestic roof. The temple is dedicated to the goddess of mercy, Guanyin, and it's a place of great spiritual significance for many Japanese people. Visitors can come to pray, make offerings, and participate in traditional Buddhist ceremonies. As you explore the temple grounds, you'll notice the many traditional Japanese shops and stalls selling incense, prayer beads, and other spiritual items. You can also try your hand at traditional Japanese games, such as omikuji, a form of fortune-telling that's popular among locals and tourists alike. The Asakusa district is also known for its rich cultural heritage, with a history that dates back centuries. The area is home to many traditional Japanese restaurants, tea houses, and shops selling local crafts and specialties. One of the best times to visit Sensoji Temple is during the evening, when the temple grounds are illuminated with thousands of lanterns. The atmosphere is magical, with the soft glow of the lanterns casting a warm light over the temple grounds. As the sun sets, the temple takes on a new personality, with traditional Japanese music and dance performances adding to the festive atmosphere. It's a great time to take photos, try traditional Japanese snacks, and soak up the local culture. Sensoji Temple in the Asakusa district are a true reflection of Tokyo's rich cultural heritage and its commitment to preserving traditional Japanese customs and traditions. Whether you're interested in history, architecture, or simply experiencing the local culture, Sensoji Temple in Asakusa are a must-visit destination for anyone traveling to Tokyo. As you leave the temple grounds, you'll be left with a lasting impression of the beauty and significance of this ancient temple and the vibrant culture of the Asakusa district. Sensoji Temple is a true marvel of Japanese architecture and spirituality, and it's an experience you won't soon forget. Tokyo Tower, one of the most iconic landmarks in Tokyo, Japan. This majestic tower stands at 332.9 meters tall and has been a symbol of the city's growth and innovation since its completion in 1958. As you approach the tower, you're struck by its striking design, which was inspired by the Eiffel Tower in Paris. However, Tokyo Tower has its own unique character and style, with a lattice-like structure that provides strength and stability. The tower's observation decks offer breathtaking views of the city in every direction. On a clear day, you can see for miles, taking in the sprawling metropolis and its many landmarks, including Tokyo Skytree, the Imperial Palace, and Mount Fuji in the distance. One of the most unique features of Tokyo Tower is its rich history. The tower was built during a time of rapid growth and development in Japan, and it played an important role in the country's broadcasting industry. Today, the tower is still an important broadcasting tower, providing signals for television and radio stations across the city. As you take in the views, you'll notice the contrast between the modern cityscape and the natural beauty of the surrounding landscape. The tower's height and location provide a unique perspective on the city, showcasing its blend of traditional and modern architecture. Tokyo Tower is not just a popular tourist destination, it's also a beloved landmark for locals. The tower has been featured in countless movies, TV shows, and music videos, and it's a popular spot for romantic dates and family outings. At night, the tower takes on a new personality with a stunning light show that illuminates the tower's structure. The light show is a popular attraction, and it's a great time to take photos and capture the tower's beauty. The tower's design is not only functional, but also aesthetically pleasing, with a unique and futuristic appearance that makes it a standout feature of Tokyo's skyline. The tower's lattice-like structure provides a sense of depth and texture, and its bright orange and white colors make it a visually striking landmark. As you explore the tower's surroundings, you'll notice the many shops and restaurants that cater to tourists and locals alike. From traditional Japanese cuisine to modern cafes and souvenir shops, there's something for everyone around Tokyo Tower. Its stunning views, rich history, and unique design make it an unforgettable experience. Whether you're interested in architecture, history, or simply taking in the views, Tokyo Tower has something for everyone. As you leave the tower, you'll be left with a lasting impression of the tower's grandeur and the city's energy. Tokyo Tower is a true marvel of modern architecture, and it's an experience you won't soon forget. Shopping in Tokyo, one of the world's premier shopping destinations. From high-end designer boutiques to vintage thrift stores and bustling markets, Tokyo has something for every style and budget. Imagine walking down the famous Ginza district, lined with luxury brands and high-end department stores. You'll find everything from designer clothing and accessories to exquisite jewelry and perfumes. Or picture yourself browsing the trendy boutiques in Harajuku, where fashionistas showcase their unique styles and creativity. From avant-garde clothing to quirky accessories, Harajuku is a shopper's paradise. But Tokyo's shopping scene isn't just about high-end fashion. You'll also find unique and eclectic shops, selling everything from vintage clothing to antique furniture. The city's markets and flea markets are a treasure trove of hidden gems and one-of-a-kind finds. One of the best places to experience Tokyo's shopping culture is in the Shibuya district. From massive department stores to tiny specialty shops, Shibuya has something for everyone. You can find everything from the latest fashion trends to cutting-edge electronics and gadgets. As you explore Tokyo's shopping districts, you'll notice the attention to detail and dedication to customer service that Japanese retailers are known for. From beautifully presented gift wrapping to personalized service, every aspect of the shopping experience is carefully considered. Whether you're looking for high-end luxury or unique souvenirs, Tokyo has something for everyone. With its world-class department stores, trendy boutiques, and bustling markets, Tokyo is a shopper's dream come true. As you shop your way through Tokyo, you'll discover a city that's both traditional and cutting-edge, where ancient customs meet modern innovation. From traditional Japanese crafts to the latest international fashion trends, Tokyo's shopping scene is a reflection of the city's vibrant energy and creativity. So come and experience Tokyo's shopping scene for yourself. With its endless options and unparalleled service, you're sure to find something that suits your style and budget. Food and cuisine. Imagine walking through the streets of Tokyo surrounded by the sights and smells of delicious food. From street food stalls to high-end restaurants, every corner of the city seems to offer something new and exciting to try. One of the most iconic Japanese dishes is sushi, and Tokyo is home to some of the world's best sushi restaurants. From classic maki rolls to sashimi and nigiri, sushi is a must-try when visiting Tokyo. But Tokyo's food scene is not just about sushi. The city is also famous for its ramen, a hearty noodle soup that is perfect for a cold winter's day. From rich tonkotsu broth to light and refreshing shoyu broth, Tokyo's ramen shops offer a wide range of options to suit every taste. In addition to sushi and ramen, Tokyo is also known for its tempura, yakitori, and tonkatsu. These classic Japanese dishes are often served in traditional restaurants, where the atmosphere is warm and welcoming. But Tokyo's food scene is not just about traditional Japanese cuisine. The city is also home to a wide range of international restaurants, serving everything from Italian and French cuisine to Korean and Chinese food. One of the best ways to experience Tokyo's food culture is to visit one of the city's many markets or food halls. From the famous Tsukiji fish market to the trendy food halls in Shinjuku and Shibuya, these destinations offer a wide range of food options and a lively atmosphere. As you explore Tokyo's food scene, you'll notice the attention to detail and dedication to quality that Japanese chefs are known for. From the freshness of the ingredients to the presentation of the dishes, every aspect of the dining experience is carefully considered. Whether you're a foodie or just looking to try something new, Tokyo has something for everyone. With its rich culinary history, diverse range of options, and commitment to quality, Tokyo's food scene is a truly unforgettable experience. So come and experience Tokyo's food culture for yourself. With its endless options and unparalleled quality, you're sure to find something that suits your taste and style. Thanks for joining me on this Tokyo adventure. From bustling streets to serene gardens, I hope you've enjoyed discovering the city's hidden gems. Like and subscribe for more travel videos, and I'll see you in the next destination. Sayonara for now.